Our soil is exhausted. We are depleting our soil faster than it can replenish itself. There are less than 60 years of farmable land left on the planet. We must accelerate soil regeneration now. The bill has come due. The best way to quickly restore our soil is to add back the highest concentration of nutrients and organic matter that we can. Native Americans are known to have done this when they buried fish beneath their plantings. They understood that death feeds life and that the cycle of life maintains balance. Composting while responsible waste management is not fast enough to repair our agricultural soils. Much of the energy potential is burned off before it ever reaches the field, and usually compost is made mostly of plants, therefore not nutrient dense enough to immediately replenish our severely depleted farmland. We should take our cue from indigenous farming practices and incorporate the cycle of life. We honor the soil by honoring the cycle of life.